Today we will have a look at a classic flat earth failure. Yes, the conspiracy have made a video where he tries to do a classic flat earth. I think he wants to make his own black swan. So here we have a classic flat earth see too far, but will he succeed? Let's start.
Hey, hope you're doing well. So I was out in Oxnard yesterday and I was taking some video, and I just wanted to share this because it's quite amazing. So I'll show you the video itself, and then I'll back up and show you where I took it from, the distances, and go through all of it so it makes more sense. But let's start here. Watch this. Now this is Ventura Fairgrounds. There are these rounded buildings, and what you're going to be looking at here on the very left side is a red buoy, and you'll be able to see the buoy bobbing. You'll be able to see the horizon and the water up above and behind the buoy. And this is really what the whole thing I want to show you is, because this is just amazing.
Great, I found the buoy. Let's move on.
Okay, so you can clearly see right here, it says 2V. The number 2, V like Victor.
Great, I found the same buoy.
Now you can see the shoreline.
Yes, I can see the shoreline also.
You can see the water behind it, up above it.
Yes, I can see the water behind the buoy.
The waves are very, very small right now. They were probably 2 or 3 feet tall.
Yes, it's small waves.
That's the parking lot for the Ventura beach, right behind it. And you can see all of the driftwood and all this. You can see the entirety of the shoreline. But this is probably the most important part. So it says 2V. You can see the shoreline, and I'll take a little more in-depth pictures of Ventura just so you can see in the future, but you're looking at the entire shore. There's nothing hidden.
And how do you know that nothing is hidden?
Okay, just to get you an idea of where I was taking this from, this is the Mandalay Bay generation station in Oxnard, and I'm standing right at the edge of what they consider Oxnard Shores. It's a residential development.
Okay, I found the generation station on Google Earth. It have a light on top so I can see it on the chart. It's located here. Here is the buoy, and up here is the shore he's talking about.
And I am a couple feet over the shoreline, and my because I was right at the waves were coming up and almost hitting me in the feet, and my camera height was set to 4 feet, so it's about a 6-foot observer height, and this is where I was viewing from. And then straight ahead is Ventura, and that's really what I was capturing. See, these rounded buildings here, this is those buildings I was showing you in the other video, and here's the shoreline. And well, there it is. Let's go back. There's the buoy again.
I will speed a part of this up so we get somewhere in this description. I doing this, and I also showing a link to the complete video so he can't accuse me for misrepresenting what he is saying or presenting in this video.
Okay, this is the Mandalay generation station right here.
Great, I found it.
Okay, let's see. Just so you can see it. You can see the smokestack and all that. Here it is, okay? This is where I was. I come right down here. This is 5th Street in Oxnard. This is the end of residential. I park right here. And from this point, if you go over to Ventura, right past the Ventura Harbor, okay, look at this line. Here's the 2 buildings. So you're looking right there. Boom. That is 6.07 miles, okay, from shore to shore.
And I did get the same distance.
Now check this out. What's that there? Isn't that funny? I've been looking at this, and that's the buoy. Right in line. Perfectly in line. Okay? Boom. Now let's look at this. Okay, from right here, let's find that buoy. There it is. There's the buoy. So that is 3.51 miles.
And I can agree on that measurement too. No problem.
Okay, so it's a little over halfway there. Okay, and if you go the whole distance, all the way over, right to these guys, this building, boom, 6.13 miles. Now let's see what the Earth must do. Oh, look at this. This is 2V, okay? Check this out. This is it's just popular. People take photos of it. Now let's see what this darn Earth is supposed to be doing. Like, why don't you just do what you're supposed to be doing, Earth? You're supposed to be curving, and there's these flat spots in the ocean everywhere. What's going on? All right, Earth curve. All right, so 6 foot observer height. And we were 6.13 miles away. Okay, so the horizon is 2.99 miles away, meaning if you're standing here, you're looking out, you're 6 foot observer, you're looking this direction, and the horizon's going to be 3 miles away, and everything behind it as it drops off, because it's spherical trigonometry, will continue to drop off more and more and more. You can just imagine the further you go, the more it rounds around, and it is a parabolic equation in this circumstance up to like 1,000 miles. It works perfectly. So some people say your numbers aren't right. Well, they are. You just gotta do your own research, and you'll find exactly what I found and millions of other people have found, is that the Earth is the water is flat, doesn't curve. You know, it's not a big deal. Don't make it weird.
We all know that we don't live on the moon, we have an atmosphere. So if we use standard refraction and that observer height, it's about 3.3 miles to the horizon. And with the medium refraction, the distance is 3.8. And if we instead have an observer height of 8 feet, we also get 3.8 miles.
So let's see. So the other shoreline should be hidden by 6.5 feet
on the moon.
But what's interesting about this is the buoy is perfectly in line with the other shoreline, and you can actually see the horizon, and you can actually see the water up above and behind the buoy. Okay, so that's why it's so important here. I'm trying to, let me see if I got all that. Yeah, I think I've got everything else I wanted to show you.
So here we see the boy in his own video, and in his confused mind this proves flat Earth. But if you make the correct calculation and take account for refractions or the atmosphere, this is what you're supposed to see on a globe.
Destroy.
This was embarrassing for him. He didn't prove anything but that we live on a globe. Oh dear, how stupid can a human being be? I believe it's no limits for that. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe, become a member, or come back next time I'm showing a video. Have a nice day. Bye.